Hey guys, what is up? This is James and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Before proceeding on to the tutorial, I would like to wish you a happy new year. May the coming year be full of great adventure and opportunities for you. So let's begin the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make rolling text in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have seen the movies and dramas, you can see at the end of their film, they usually put the name of their cast and crews, right? So there they usually use rolling text animation, right? So today we are going to learn how exactly we can do that in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first you need to go to Adobe Premiere Pro. After opening Adobe Premiere Pro, you will have a welcome screen. First you need to make a new project. I'll name it rolling text. Then you have to choose a location. I'll put the project file here on this location. Then select folder. And then you have to click create, right? Click here. So here it is. This is our Adobe Premiere Pro layout. If you don't see your Premiere Pro just like that, you can just select a different workspace. If you go to window, then you can select workspace, and maybe you will have a workspace just like this one. I don't like to use that. If you're using Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 version, then you can use essential workspace, which is this one, essential, this one. Or you can just click here on this tab here, workspace, and you can click essential. I don't like to use that either, because when I'm making tutorials, I would like to keep my photo here. So I'll make a space for that photo. I'll use my custom workspace. It is apparently the same workspace, just like that, right? So usually when you are using rolling text, you usually put the rolling text at the end of your video. Let's make a new sequence. I'll right click here, then you can go new item and click here sequence. Then you can make a custom sequence as you want. I'll name it rolling text. Then you can change the resolution from the video section. I'll keep it as 4K, then click OK. It will make a new sequence, right? And here, suppose you have already edited video, I will just import my previous video here, which is this one, right? I'll just keep it here. Now I want to place a rolling text animation at the end of my video, right here. So to add a rolling text animation, you need to make a type layer first. To add a type layer, you have to click here, which is type tool, click here. Then click here on the program window, and you can write whatever you want. I'll just copy a text from a template. I'll just write the text in the description below so that you don't need to worry, right? You can just copy and paste there. So I'll just copy the text from here. This is the credit that I want to place. And I will click here, and then I'll press Ctrl V to paste, right? So this is the text. Now you can format the text as you want. To format the text, you need to go to Essential Graphics panel, go to Window and select Essential Graphics, this one. Then this panel will appear. Under this Essential Graphics panel, you can change the font if you want to use a different font. Maybe you want to use Gotham, and then maybe medium. Just select the text first and then Gotham, medium. Yeah, the text have been changed, and now you can just center align the text, and also you can place the text at the center using this align and transform section, right? Click here and click here. Now we have successfully formatted our text. If you want, you can change the text color, or you can change the formatting, you can change the spacing, right? We are not going to do that. Now the question is how you can transform this text as a rolling text, right? How you can animate this text. To animate this text, you need to go here on this timeline. This is my timeline, right? Click outside of your timeline so that the text layer have been deselected, right? And again select the text. Then you will see under Essential Graphics panel, this is the text that we have made earlier, right? Now don't click here, go to at the bottom of this section, and here you'll see roll, right? Click here. Then Premiere Pro will convert this type layer as a rolling text animation layer, right? If I play it back, now you'll see the text have been rolling out. Now how you can control the animation, how you can control the speed of this text, right? To control the animation, you can change different section from here, and if you want to decrease the speed of your text animation, then you can just click and drag this to increase the text layer duration, it will decrease the animation speed. If I play it back, you will see the animation speed have been decreased. If I increase it more, the animation speed will decrease a lot, right? So this is a suitable speed for me, I think. Now if I play it back again, you will see that text animation have been applied at the beginning portion, right? As soon as I press the space bar, the text animation have been started. But I don't want that. I want to have a gap, maybe 1 second, then I want to start the animation. To do it, you need to add pre-roll, right? If you add pre-roll maybe for 1 second, then after you play it back, the animation will start after 1 second. Again, when the animation have been finished, you can just add post-roll so that you will have some blank space at the end of your video, right? So you can see the text have been disappeared and then the video have been stopped. Now if I play it back again, you'll see the text animation has a constant speed, right? But I want to have a smooth animation. When the animation is starting, it will start slowly and gradually it will speed up, right? To add the ease in, you need to add the ease in effect from here. You can just add 1 or 2 second ease in and 1 or 2 second ease out. Now if I play it back, you'll see the speed of the animation is slow at the beginning and then the speed have been increased. So that is the controls that you can do using this section. And lastly, you will have soften section. You can just enable it so that when the text is animating, it will not have any jerking movement. It will smooth the animation, right? So that is all. That is how you can add rolling text animation at the end of your video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.